Social media is turning real! Instagram-inspired nails, a hairstyle with a Facebook logo, a Twitter makeup look, and YouTube nails! Check out these and other creative ideas in our new video! Here she is, the World Wide Web in person! Miss Internet loves getting her nails done. Whenever Internet is filing her nails, social media icons fall from under the nail file. And here's the new trend: social media inspired beauty. Bloggers, your move! TikTokers can change their look in a second. I'll try it too. I'll just wipe the mirror. It's not working. Why? A thorough investigation shows the following. All the most popular influencers have perfect nails. Let's test this version. Coat a press-on nail with black nail polish. Add a TikTok logo with white gel paint. Outline the logo with translucent white gel polish. This is the base for a colorful outline. Dry it and add the signature colored outline with turquoise and pink-red gel polish. Dry it. Coat it with matte polish. Create a pattern with broken lines on another press-on nail. Apply colored gel paint onto white gel polish. Dry and coat the nails with matte polish. My nails are flawless! I'll try it again. Wipe and whoa! This is unbelievable! It turned out even better than I expected! My beloved Snapchat! Do you have anything for me? Oh, here's a new hilarious filter! Ha! And this old one is my favorite! And this one! Wait, no! My number one is definitely this! Ah! What's that? The filter became real! Fasten Pringles caps on a sheet of yellow foam paper. Cut along the outline. Attach a printed Snapchat logo to the center of the cap. Hot glue a cable tie to the back. Cover it with a yellow cardboard circle. I really lucked out! These are the coolest pictures I have ever taken on Snapchat! Do you need a social media representative? I'm the one for you! No one loves Facebook like I do! I'm a living Facebook logo! Just look! But that's not enough! Hang on! Don't say no right away! Waiter! I need your help right now! Just make my hair into a logo! Sure, I'll try! Trace a Facebook logo on an old plastic folder. Carefully cut it out with a modeling knife. It turned out pretty good! Wow! Now I agree, you are the best representative for us! Take a look at the contract! A real contract! Thanks! I'll do anything! I'll even sign it without reading it! I promise you won't regret it! Today is the best day of my life! The topic of our YouTube meeting is social media haters. We have tried every possible method and have gotten 0 results. I'm not late. I was just at the top secret science lab and brought our new invention. I'm proud to present this great new anti-hater mechanism, YouTube Nails. Coat press on nails with red polish. Cut triangles from a strip of white sticker paper. Attach them to the center of the nail. Define the outline with white gel paint. Coat with clear nail polish. These are the perfect nails for a YouTuber. Your attention, please! I'll show you how the new invention works. Take an angry hater. Run your cutting-edge manicured fingers over them. What do we see next? Likes are attacking the hater until he fully surrenders. And here's the result. The angry hater is defeated. Yay! It works! We did it! Doctor, you have to help me. I can't talk to people at all. Hold on. So, I'm too unsociable? Hang on. I think I know how to help you. A bright Twitter-inspired makeup look. It'll make you self-confident right away. Dr. Lillian, you are amazing! I feel great already. Hello, you won't believe what a day I had. So much happened. Yeah, tell me. Hey, stop scrolling through your phone. Listen to me. You know, I have to leave. I need to tweet about this. Relationship status is, it's over. This pic with a balloon will get a ton of likes. This is better. I'll fix my hair. The lighting is better here. Or maybe a full body pic? Pillows, I need your help. I'll put my phone right here. That's not right. Well, I guess a tripod is an essential device for a blogger. I'll try posting this picture. And this one. Likes, where are you? Let's change tactics. I'll try on a stylish look. This is the color scheme of Instagram. Not bad, but it still could be better. I have a bold idea. I'll take a risk and create Instagram-inspired nails. Coat a press-on nail with white nail polish. Apply purple, pink, and yellow acrylic paint to a sponge. Dampen the sponge so the shades mix a bit. Transfer the paint onto the nails. Paint a white Instagram logo on the nail. Add hearts. Coat with matte polish. Instagram-inspired nails are done! I'll take a selfie with my stylish nails. Well, guys, this manicure will definitely get a ton of attention. Let's see. Yay! Here they are, the likes I've been waiting for. Yes! I did it! From now on, I am the new star of Instagram. My favorite bloggers! Well done! You did a great job! You made my new trend more popular! I am so proud of you! Did you like our nail, makeup, and hair ideas inspired by social media? Then comment below which one you'd copy. Instagram nails, TikTok nails, a Twitter makeup look, or a Facebook hairstyle? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new fun nail, makeup, and hair ideas from Troom.